In front of is Meizu 16th, and let me show you how to adjust screen color, how to switch display mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here scroll a bit lower. Now click on display mode, and as you can see now you can pick one from the following list. So this is the adaptive option. You can pick standard, photo, as you can see it's more vivid, or dynamic. Just pick the color mode that you like the most. Maybe I will stay with photo, and that's it, you can smoothly use it. And that would be all. This is it, this is how you can change the display. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.